Don't turn around. Don't look at me. If you look at me, you will die. This is the darkness. This is my domain. You are but small creatures that live in the light, clinging to your false hopes and dreams which die in the end. Only the darkness remains. Don't look at me. One look and you will die. I know more about you than you know yourself. Your thoughts, your morals, your memories and desires. I see everything inside your soul. There is no secret that can be hidden from me. What you call a spirit is in fact my consciousness. My body is all but dust, but my spirit survives in this world. If one is to enter the spirit world, the gatekeeper requires a victim. The number of victims equals the sin, and mine alone requires a great many victims. I have waited so long to leave the world of the living, and nothing will stop me now. I am much more than that. I am the master of the spirits trapped in this place, and now I shall set them free. You will die here, painfully. This bunker is your grave. You know me, as I know you, the commander who sends his own to their deaths. The spirits of the Allies rose up against me and banished me out of the spirit world, imprisoning me with the bird I last flew, till the end of time. Is that how you treated your men? You know nothing. You are so small, scared of command, haunted by the eyes of your mother, lying to the grieved families about the death of their sons, the chastity taker, and your broken heart, so far away from you, the valiant true love you lost in battle so long ago. I'm behind you, Jake. I'm right behind you. One look and you will die. I'm reaching out, Jake. I'm so close. Don't turn around.